The Affordable Care Act was signed into law 13 years ago on March 23, 2010, and it was historic legislation to get more people connected to health coverage, whether that's private insurance or Medicaid. It included some provisions to expand essential health benefits, improving the quality of insurance while also bringing down cost. It included substantial cost stabilization measures. Here's just a reminder of some of the more popular features of the Affordable Care Act. And the first one is protecting consumers from discrimination based on pre-existing conditions. Other provisions: dependent coverage, keeping your children on your insurance longer, Medicaid expansion, changes to employer-sponsored insurance, anti-discrimination rules, and so much more. As the feds celebrated the 13th birthday of the Affordable Care Act, they are highlighting the record-breaking open enrollment period that just closed as people signed up for coverage for 2023. They also are celebrating some of the lower costs in the marketplace thanks to the American Rescue Plan Act and the Inflation Reduction Act. In this most recent open enrollment period, nearly 16.4 million Americans enrolled in a healthcare plan either on healthcare.gov or one of their state-based marketplaces. That's a 13% increase over last year, a 36% increase over the year before. In a statement, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Secretary Becerra said, "As we celebrate the anniversary of the Affordable Care Act today, we have even more evidence that this law has lived up to its name, providing a way for Americans to access quality, affordable health coverage." And he continues, "We will keep doing everything we can to ensure more people have the peace of mind that comes with high-quality health care." The Affordable Care Act, after 13 years, has a staying power. Some of those early years of ongoing fights over the law have largely come to an end. But litigation is still continuing over some pieces. Most recently, the preventative services pieces of the Affordable Care Act is tied up in lawsuits. It's one of the more popular provisions of the law, so we will keep an eye on that and keep you posted. On the other hand, we have states like North Carolina, where the Republican-led assembly on the birthday of the Affordable Care Act voted overwhelmingly to expand Medicaid. That bill is now on its way to the governor's desk for a signature, and he is expected to sign, and the move could include health coverage for about 600,000 adults in the state of North Carolina. Lots to celebrate on the 13th birthday of the Affordable Care Act. You can read the press release coming out of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. We link to it in the description below.